We are at Kampung Rawa, the Tempeh factories of Jakarta, close to the slums. Here they are producing tempeh daily, even at night, as they did decades ago to supply Jakarta with traditional tempeh. They first wash the soybeans, then boiling them, and later on the boiled soybeans will be wrapped in this plastic foil in order to fermentate for 3 days. The old lady here is sealing the foil with mosquito coils.
Soybean, it's important.
Here are multiple family-owned factories, one after the other. Around 5 people are working at each factory.
We just received the tempeh out of the tempeh factory.
Yes.
Very good.